This is a test of the Olfi Black. The mic capabilities I'm trying to test this today. This section is without the lav mic in, so this is plain, straightforward. Audio is on. The level is, I believe, 8. So I'm going to test this all the way through. I'm on a walk. Okay guys, swapped the audio onto the lav mic, plugged it in here. Hopefully there should be some decent quality sound now. If not, obviously Helen, you'll hear from me. It's no big deal, obviously, you know that. Big boy, I don't cry. Well, I do occasionally. But not about equipment. Don't know what kind of pine that is. But those are huge cones. This is the Olfi Black with the mic, lav mic, plugged into it in a really nice shaded area. So not got much in the way of problems with lighting. I'm going to do the test again without the mic in. So give me 2 seconds. Okay, so we're back on the Olfi Black. Mic's now unplugged. Again in the same area, I haven't moved. Unplugged. So using the mic that's inbuilt, there we go. So sensitivity's at 8. So without the mic plugged in, this is test number 2. So for all my friends at Olfi HQ, speaking to you earlier, with the webcam from Charlestown Beach, I've walked along the coast path today to the pub, unexpectedly, ha ha ha. So this is the view from the coast path. So coming down, the view that I was showing earlier is from the Pier House Hotel, which is coming into view now. There we go. What a beauty.